Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to create a form and accept the name, address and phone number in the first page. When accepted, uh, the concerned data again should move to the second page where the product information need to be added. And in the third page, the information which is entered in the first page, that is customer information, and the information that is entered in the second page, that is the product information, must be displayed in the third page along with the bill. This is the program we are going to do in this video. Coming to the program, mm, yeah. See in the first page, what it is simple. Like just we need to take the customer name, number, and place. That's it. As you know, that we need to give method either get or post. If it is a secure information, get it as post. If it is a regular information, you can use it as get. And the action, as we need to forward the information to second page and third page. So second page I have took it the name as 1F2 and third page I took it as 1F3. So both actions I'm taking into consideration here, and I'm taking the customer name, and beside that I'm printing the text box. As you already know, in the previous classes we have done this, and I'm taking the submit button in the first page. That's it. Now coming to the second page, if you see here, information, on submitting the submit button we have to go to the second page, and the information which is entered in the first page should go to the third page. So the complete information need not go to the second page. Only on submitting we need to enter item code, name and unit sold and rate. So what we'll do is we'll take input type as hidden, so that even the information is taken into the second page, it won't be displayed in the uh, browser. Okay, the local host it can't be displayed. So when you don't want anything to be displayed, like any content not to be displayed, you can take it as input type hidden. As in the first page already the user will enter the details, so as to print that value we'll take a PHP statement here, like PHP opening statement echo and post customer name. Customer name is the name which is taken for the table, like a text box. Here see, customer name is a text box name we have taken in the first page. A same name we'll take it here, so that content will directly displayed here. If you want it to be if you want to say it, you can take like input type hidden, you can remove and you just type it here as text and see that whether the information is carry forwarding to the second page or not. After input type code, and you are printing the text box similarly as done in the second page. Now this is the second form. Now coming to the third form, here is there any necessity to come is there any necessity of hiding these details in the third page? No, as it should be displayed in the third page, we are not hiding any details. Directly we are printing with the text box name. But as we need to print the bill, here units sold and rate should be multiplied, which cannot be done here, and that data cannot be transferred to the third page as it is a user defined variable. So only unit sold and rate we are hiding it in the third page. As you see here, only units and rate we are multiplying here. Apart from that, remaining we are not taking any hidden statements. So with the help of this, like for unit sold, u variable is assigned and rate r variable is assigned, and I am multiplying the unit sold and rate, and total price is printed. So this is the way. As you already know how to do the execution, try to do the execution, and it is your wish that you print it in the form of like text as I've done here, or in the form of table. You try to print the bill in the form of table. This will be a problem for you, which I'll see the output in the next class. Thank you.